11. Health benefits of water. Around 60% of the human body is water. Hydrated maintenance is essential to health and well-being. Some of the top health advantages of water are here. Number 1. Lubricates the joints. To lubricate joints, water is a must. Contains 80% water in the joints and discs of the spine. Durable dehydration may reduce the shock-absorbing capacity of the joints and cause articular pain. Number 2. Forms saliva and mucus. Saliva helps us digest food and moisturizes mouth, nose and eyes. This prevents damage and friction. The mouth is also clean with drinking water. Number 3. Provides body-wide oxygen. Blood transports oxygen to various parts of the body. More than 90% of blood is water. It also purifies the blood by drinking more water. Number 4. Boosts skin health and beauty. The skin can become more exposed to skin disorders and early wrinkling with dehydration. Water is very effective in getting healthy skin. Number 5. The brain, spinal cord and other sensitive tissues are coated. Water coats the brain, backbone, and other sensitive tissues. Brain structure and function can be affected by dehydration. It also contributes to hormone and neurotransmitter production. Number 6. Performance improvement. Dehydration affects not only sports, but physiological function as well. The exercise performance is improved with drinking water. Number 7. Avoid constipation. Water helps keep things in the gastrointestinal system, so that hydration in children, adults and the elderly can help avoid constipation. Some evidence suggests that fizzy water can also be of special use. Number 8. Encourage urinary system health. Poor hydration in certain individuals can increase the risk of developing or recurring kidney stones. The risk of bladder and urinary tract infections, including cystitis, in women, may also be reduced if sufficient quantities of water is drunk. Number 9. Memory and mood improvement. In all children and elderly, dehydration can impair memory and mood. Both the brain and the body are affected by hydration. Even moderate dehydration can adversely affect moods and increase anxiety. The risk of headache or migraine in some people may be increased also by lack of water. Number 10. Loss of weight. Water may also contribute to a loss of weight if eaten rather than sweetened juices and sodas. Water may also contribute to a loss of weight if eaten rather than sweetened juices and sodas. Number 11. Remove waste from your body. Suitable intake of water can be used to excrete waste by swallowing, urination and defecation. Water helps your kidneys to remove blood waste and to keep blood vessels open and filter out that flow to your kidney. To function properly, all the cells and organs of the body need water. It's commonly recommended that you drink 8 8-ounce glasses of water per day.